Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the engine oil on your Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. First, gather your supplies. A new oil filter, about 6 quarts of fresh 5W20 synthetic oil, a drain pan, and a socket wrench. Make sure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine has run for a few minutes to warm the oil slightly. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient oil change process. Now, safely raise the front of your vehicle using a jack and secure it firmly with jack stands. This provides necessary clearance. Next, find the oil drain plug, usually a bolt on the lowest part of the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly beneath it. Carefully remove the plug and let all the old, dark oil flow out completely. This step might take several minutes, so be patient. After the old oil has fully drained, reinsert and securely tighten the drain plug. Now, locate and remove the old oil filter, typically found near the oil pan, using an oil filter wrench. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug. Finally, lower your vehicle and pour about 6 quarts of new engine oil into the fill opening. With the new oil in, start your engine and let it run for about 2 to 3 minutes. This allows the fresh oil to circulate. Next, carefully inspect the drain plug and the new oil filter for any signs of leaks. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the oil level with the dipstick. Top off if necessary. Remember to properly dispose of the used oil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.